Good morning. It is Vlogmas day 7 and I am having some tea and some oatmeal. And it is Friday. I am very excited for the weekend and yeah, here we go. I am finally dressed for the day. I had been just same thing as I say every single day, doing emails and like, you know, fun stuff like that. But this is my outfit. I have on these jeans that I love and then the sweater that has these little gingerbread on it. I had it on yesterday actually at the end of my vlog, and then these really cute shoes. And I am actually headed over to Rachel Martino's apartment because we are going to be baking cookies today and I am very, very excited. I haven't made cookies in like a while and I really want to make gingerbread cookies, but I think we're making chocolate chip. We will see, but here we go. I made it to Rachel and Jerry's. Hi. And Harmony's here.
We're making cookies.
She has on a very cute sweater that I'm waiting to come in the mail.
Oh my god, I got that one too for Rachel.
It's so cute. Look how cute it looks in here.
Christmas.
I really like these hanging lights. Check in on the cookies. Oh. Look at all the cookies. We just got back to my apartment and I just got this headband in from, it's definitely a splurge. It's by Jennifer Burr and she is a New York, she makes like different hair stuff and I am literally obsessed, you guys. You can't see it very well. Let me show you in here. You can see. Puka fell yesterday, so she can't go upstairs, but it's just so cool. It's just so cool. I'm obsessed, as you can tell. Making some popcorn on the stove. And now we have some delicious popcorn. So one of my followers had sent these jelly beans and we're eating some right now and we just ate the earwax ones and they're freaking so bad. Will you eat one again so we can see your reaction? You go, yeah.
Wait, this one's rotten egg.
Okay, try it. Earwax one and it was like convulsing throw up.
Okay, I think I'm gonna throw up.
Oh my god!
I'm tasting like a butt. Like an actual butt.
Wait, which flavor was that?
Rotten egg. Here, wait.
How do they make that?
You try that one.
I'm not. I can't. Okay, I'll try this soap one.
This is our trash. You don't seem to have a reaction.
I ate a half one, that's why.
Should I eat dirt? Let's both eat dirt.
Ooh, it does taste like soap though.
Ew. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, it tastes like dirt. Oh my god. Oh my god, it literally tastes like dirt.
How do they do this?
I don't know.
Try booger.
Oh, I fucking tried that. Excuse me. I tried that one and it's really gross.
I don't think I can do it.
Wait, is this one dirt?
No, only the dark brown are.
Which is that one? Is that sausage?
Yeah, this is sausage.
Mm-mm.
No.
We're vegetarian.
Not
We are
doing that.
not doing that.
This one's green apple, or it could be grass again.
Let's try it. I think it's green apple. Mine is grass.
I think mine's green apple.
You lucky mofo.
I just spit the grass out. That was not cute.
It tastes like grass, but like kind of like a
smell
green smoothie at the same time.
Isn't that what green smoothies are? Should I try the soap?
Yeah.
That's literally like eating a bar of soap.
It is. It's like a bar of soap with like a little bit of sugar. Wait. Oh my god. Hold on. Okay, we're now trying the vomit flavor. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god. Well, yes, I have not taken my headband off that I am obsessed with, and I am just at home having a glass of wine, and I'm gonna sign off for the day because I kind of need a little bit of a break from Vlogmas. And I'm gonna wash my face and just be hanging out at home. I'll see y'all tomorrow.